a video about creating a productive schedule on Google Calendar. I've made another video about content batching. Get ready because those two videos made a baby, and this is where we are. My name is Mica Gonzalez, that is M-I-C-A, Gonzalez with a Z. And for more videos that show you how to live a happier, healthier, more productive life, especially through creativity, passion projects, creative businesses, side hustles and stuff, please consider hitting the subscribe button so you don't miss another video. The past couple of weeks, I talked about how to create time blocks using Google Calendar as well as what content batching is, aka what I consider the best productivity hack for content creators out there. So I thought, why not create this quick video that shows you how to mesh these two productivity strategies together. So I'm going to pull up my Google Calendar and we are going to set up some content batching time blocks. Alright, so first things first, I recommend blocking out any times you know you won't be able to create content or work on your passion project. Maybe these are because of school or work or, just regular appointments that you want to keep. Get that on the calendar and let's move on. Next, you'll want to have your batch days ready. I go into detail about how and why batching works in my previous video called Content Batching 101. And I also cover what you might need to prepare and how to group tasks together before hopping on Google Calendar in a separate video. So you can feel free to watch those videos first if you're not sure what I mean or if you're really new to this strategy. When you know which tasks would go great into your batch days, then choose a day and time to get this done on Google Calendar. Ideally, you will want to leave a lot of extra room as padding. It's not a requirement, but I feel like it's always better to overestimate the amount of time that you think is needed for content creation, and because that's really so you don't feel so pressured by extremely tight deadlines. Oh, and don't forget to add some emojis or colors to your Google Calendar. That always makes things more fun, more enjoyable to look at. So my recommendation is carving out at least an hour's worth of batch time at the minimum, but that's really up to you. Personally, I carve out about 2 to 3 hours when I batch things, but that's also because I have the luxury of time to actually have 2 to 3 hours free each and every day. So just feel free to adjust according to your own circumstances. If you know from previous experiences that it takes you about an hour and a half to write a blog post or script a single YouTube video, for example, and you don't really have the luxury of time to devote 3 to 4 hours in a day, then what you can do is to stretch out your batch time over a couple of days. What this means is instead of only writing blogs and scripts on Monday, for example, you can say to yourself that maybe you'll do all of your blog or all of your script writing for the month between Monday to Wednesday. So that's 3 days and you'll do it for an hour in each day. So that's about 3 hours. That's pretty good batching schedule still. Now you can feel free to rearrange your content batches on Google Calendar if things seem a little off to you when you're done. I sure know that I didn't get this right the first time and that's okay. And when you are done, the most important part is to give this Google Calendar schedule a whirl. Try it out for a week or two or until you've completed everything that you batched in a month. And then ask yourself what you might want to change or what could have gone better. Use this as data to adjust your next batches and repeat until you've got something that's pretty rinse and repeat. All in all, setting up your content batching schedule on Google Calendar is pretty straightforward, but actually sticking to it and making it so that you're well adjusted and it's a schedule that makes, a lot of sense to you is actually the trickier part. But don't give up if your first batching schedule on Google Calendar doesn't work out or if you're not able to stick to it, just try again for more experience next time. And that's all I had for you today. If you want me to see your content batching schedule on your own Google Calendar, then please give me a tag on Instagram so that I can see your guys' awesome calendars and schedules. And until then, as always, thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, subscribing, all that good stuff. I really appreciate you. And I'll see you in the next video very soon. Bye!